Carphone Warehouse Honest review travelers to watch before use. Most travelers get mobile stores wrong. They assume international compatibility is guaranteed. The surprising truth about Carphone Warehouse is how it helps travelers find the right phones, SIM cards, and accessories, and you won't believe the range of roaming and travel solutions they offer. Here's how it works. Carphone Warehouse sells unlocked phones, travel SIMs, and data plans. They provide advice on international network compatibility, roaming fees, and accessories for travel. For example, a traveler visiting Europe can pick up a SIM card with local rates or an unlocked phone compatible with multiple networks, avoiding huge roaming bills. Most people get this wrong. They assume every phone works abroad, but Carphone Warehouse offers guidance to prevent connectivity issues. Additional features include trade-in options, contract-free plans, and travel adapters or chargers. Staff can advise on data packages, eSIM, and mobile security while traveling. However, there are considerations. Some international plans may be more expensive than local alternatives, and stock may vary by location. Most people assume every product is plug and play for travel. It's important to confirm compatibility before leaving. In conclusion, Carphone Warehouse is ideal for travelers who want reliable mobile connectivity, advice, and devices suited for international use. With guidance and flexible options, it helps avoid common travel tech headaches. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of travel and mobile services.